My name's Matt. Welcome to RJH Motorcycles' second YouTube video. We hope you've subscribed to the channel. If not, subscribe now to be notified of our next video. In this episode, we're going to cover the HEL Performance Oil Cooler and Oil Line kits. The oil in your bike's engine is the single most important thing to keeping the engine healthy. We all understand the importance of using the correct grades of oil and following the correct change intervals to maintain optimum engine performance and longevity. An oil cooler is an important addition to any engine which gets worked hard. Any engine that can sustain high RPM can easily overheat the oil, which then becomes thinner and offers less protection, resulting in premature engine wear. Most motorcycle engines have a lubrication system that includes an oil pump, some form of an oil tank, and a delivery system. Any external lines on a bike have a very hard life, which may see internal temperatures exceeding 100 degrees centigrade and external temperatures dropping below freezing. They have to be capable of withstanding pressures of over 100 psi, remain flexible if made of rubber, and resist fracture if made of metal. In addition to this, have the ability to withstand any engine vibration and exposure to harsh weather conditions. A wide range of manufacturers' oil lines can be replaced using the HEL range of high-performance oil hose and fittings. These kits replace the standard OEM fitment with a new oil cooler which can increase efficiency by up to 25%. The kits include new CNC aluminium brackets to each fitment and the new oil lines, which are available in either stainless steel braided hoses or our black braided hoses for that stealth look. Fittings are black anodized, and the kits include any adapters, takeoffs or bolts required to give a complete replacement to your OEM oil cooler. All HEL Performance oil coolers come finished in black with the aluminium brackets that have been anodized with the matte black finish to match. We've added links to the kits available in the comment section, or alternatively send us a message and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Please do like and subscribe to the channel to receive updates of any new videos. We hope to see you soon. Thank you.